Sometimes you're staring at a blank screen knowing you need a landing page fast, maybe for a product launch or a new idea you've been thinking about. And instead of hiring a designer or learning complicated code, you start looking for something that can move as quickly as your thoughts, which is where Landingsite AI begins to make sense because it connects speed with simplicity. And that connection turns what feels overwhelming into something structured and manageable. The core idea behind Landingsite AI is automation blended with customization. And that balance is important because most people don't just want a generic template. They want something that feels aligned with their brand. By using artificial intelligence to generate layouts, headlines, and suggested content, the platform bridges creative blocks with ready-made structure. So instead of starting from zero, you start from a working draft. And as you adjust colors, text, and sections, the page slowly transforms into something that feels intentional rather than rushed. What makes tools like this appealing is how they compress time, because traditional website creation often involves brainstorming, wireframing, copywriting, and testing, and each step can stretch across days or weeks. With AI assistance, those stages overlap, so idea and execution blend together. You might type a short description of your business, and within moments, the system generates a layout with headlines, call-to-action buttons, and supporting sections, and that flow connects planning with immediate visuals. Pricing typically varies depending on features, and many AI website builders offer tiered plans, such as a free trial, a basic plan with limited pages, and premium options that include advanced analytics, custom domains, and higher traffic limits. The monthly subscription model allows flexibility, while annual plans often reduce the overall cost. For startups or solo creators, starting small and upgrading as traffic grows feels practical. Over time, the platform becomes less about just building one page and more about refining campaigns, because once you see conversion data, you begin adjusting headlines and layouts, and that experimentation connects creativity with measurable results. What starts as a quick solution turns into a tool for ongoing optimization. And somewhere between publishing your first page and analyzing your first visitor clicks, the process feels less intimidating and more iterative. And as you open the dashboard again, thinking about your next idea, the blank screen doesn't feel quite as empty anymore. And that's it. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.